I should do.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome to a short video. This video was inspired by this man right here, Gary Ashton, and I'm going to show you how to dump your black tank. No intro, no jump, no Andrea. Gary's gonna hold the camera for me, and I'm going to dump Gary's black tank on his beautiful Winnebago Navion 24J. I did do a review on this 2 months ago. We'll link it right up here. But first, let's do a quick tour around the back of this. Gary, is there anything special that you added to this motorhome?
Look how much value I added to the RV.
His motorhome just not depreciated, but appreciated in value because he got the official Matt's RV Reviews bumper sticker.
That's right.
So Gary, if you don't mind,
yes, sir.
You want to say anything to America? Or do you just want to dump the black tank?
Well, the thing is, I have no clue, and I keep asking Matt, and I keep trying to figure out how to do it. But the best person to show me how to do this would be the expert himself.
Using the E word, man. That's not a safe thing to do. Okay, so first and foremost, you need a sewer hose, right? Okay. This is our dealership. A lot of times you'll see the dump station right there at a campground or a dump site. We have it lodged in there, and you could do that, but you want to make sure that side's safely secure. And this isn't going to be the best way to do it. This is just a simple, you know, everybody dumps their black tanks their own way. Okay, so you go right here.
Get in.
Zoom on in underneath, right?
Yeah.
And it's going to twist like that.
Ooh, what was that? It just came out.
Probably just antifreeze.
All right.
Yeah. So for all my sensitive people, you are gonna want to get gloves. Okay. Then you take this, and then you see right there.
Yep.
Twist it on.
Lost the.
It's okay. It's still recording.
Okay. So
you just gotta touch the screen every minute. You lock that on.
Okay.
So then we take a hose, not your freshwater hose. You want to have a hose dedicated for this. Okay?
So this is the flush, right?
Correct. Where's the end of it?
Turn it on, you'll find it. There we go. So these are all the things I didn't know.
Yep. So then you take this and then you spin it. Okay. Notice how I'm spinning it left? Because it's tightening it right. You don't want to spin the hose because then it will crinkle up and everything.
Yep. Kind
of like how this one's crinkled. So when you're at a campsite for a long time, you'll see these little things. I'll put a picture of them right here. Bing! And that's to keep a nice grade of your sewer hose going down. Here at the dealership, we have this plank of wood. Gary did park a little too close, but it's no big deal. So I'll show you a little secret. See, you don't want it to creak, but we'll be fine. So what you do first, you go in here, and you pull your black tank first, okay? You don't need to put your black tank flush on. What I would do, I would wait until all the black water's done, and then you pull your gray water. Where in this situation, it's not gonna matter because we are gonna have the black tank. Oh, and we're chipping some. So now we'll pull the gray tank. And now, we turn this on. Smell that, Gary?
Yeah, fresh.
Yeah, that's Tijuana Flats right there. Cool. And so, here's an awesome thing. I should have showed this first. But right here, you see how the water... Oh no, you see how it's kind of dirty?
Yeah.
It's okay. After the black tank is finally done, then it will start coming out more clear. Yep.
This is exactly why I wanted to do it.
Yeah, no. It's gonna...
So it's filling up, it's flushing.
So what the black tank flush does is crap and toilet paper can stick to the side. So there's gonna be a sensor inside that says 1/3 full, 2/3 full, and full. And so what can happen is toilet paper or sediment or whatever can stick to the side. So you can have an empty tank, but the sensor will still read. So what this water's doing, it's making like a vacuum hurricane, and it's cleaning out the insides of the black tank.
Perfect.
So now, yeah, see, it's coming out. So it's really dirty because we use this at the dealership. We keep it outside and we use it 100 times.
Yeah.
Whereas yours is going to be more transparent and see-through, and you'll be able to see that it's clean water.
Okay.
So what I do, especially if I don't have a black tank flush.
Where would I buy one of those?
Oh, thank you, Gary. By using our Amazon affiliate link down below, it will take you to Amazon to buy any sewer hose.
Thank you.
Or a general RV. So now what we'll do is I will turn the water off. Okay. Okie dokie.
So that's just purely for flushing the black tank.
Correct. Okay. Then, see, the water's still flowing some. Or no, it's just a long hose.
So that's probably why the other
yeah, probably. So then what you do is you're gonna want to turn in the black tank and then pump in the gray tank. So if you don't have a black tank flush, what I would then do, I would only dump the black tank, wait till it's empty, and then pull the gray tank, because the gray water is going to be cleaner water than the black water to help clean this hose area, okay? So then, what I would do in this situation, you then close your gray tank. So you see how we have that kink here?
Yeah.
This thing is still filled with water. So what I would do is you lift it up and get it all out of there. Again, if you're at a campground, you can set it to the right grade so there is no kinks in it. And then, since we do have the luxury of having this hose, again, we wouldn't do this here at the dealership, but as Gary said, he doesn't have a bumper for the Stinky Slinky. So that means he'd be putting this crap hose back in one of the storage bays. Oops.
Smart. Okay, that's good. Good to know.
Yep, you just want to do this because it stinks. It literally smells like crap.
You know why that is?
Why is that?
Because there's a bunch of crap in there.
There's a what?
Bunch of crap in there.
Yep. So then you clean this out. And then you raise it up. And then you just get it all dumped out.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, that's it. That's how you, woo! No. That's how you dump your black and gray tank. Thank you so much. Do me a huge favor. Leave down in the comments below. Let me know if you like videos like this. Gary says he has like 12 videos he wants me to do. I don't know. I don't think it's that entertaining, dumping black tanks. It's not as nice as showing the motorhome. But leave down in the comments below. Let me know if you like videos like this. Gary, do you want to say anything to America?
Actually, all I will say is that this was extremely useful. I've kind of looked around on YouTube and trying to find those kind of educational videos, but I'd rather have somebody like Matt make it fun and educational without getting me wet. No, this is awesome. There's a bunch of things. There's a new owner that's new to RV, and I think that people will find this useful. All right, back to Matt.
Thanks so much. Thanks absolutely everybody so much for watching. If you're watching this the first week, make sure you join me this weekend at the Ocala RV show, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thank you so much.